Hi fellow flowers, Violet here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a lanyard collection sort of video, as well as giving you a channel update. So I've been on YouTube for almost 10 years. It all started with the scuba tunnel and here we are a million views later on YouTube and a million views later on TikTok. So while that may not seem big to anybody, I've been on here for a while. For me to even get to this milestone, whether it, for some people it may have taken 2 weeks or a day or whatever, but it took me 10 years, so here we are, whatever. I'm just stoked. This channel is mostly lanyards with a touch of vlogging and whatnot. And kind of that's what the big update is, I guess, is I'm starting a new channel where I'm going to be doing the vlogs and kind of the behind the scenes. If you're interested in the college mom experience, college engineer mom sort of experience. Anyways, yeah, so pretty much I just felt like the lanyard channel wasn't the place for this content anymore. I've done kind of some experimenting and I've had some vlogs do well on this channel. I've had others not do so well. And if you know anything about the YouTube algorithm, pretty much you kind of have to niche yourself and kind of... Sorry, my cat just spaz dumped water all over me. How do you clean that up? Gosh, my cat will literally drink anybody else's water except for his own. And he was trying to drink out of my cup and then got his head stuck in the cup. Freaked out, jerked back, and launched the cup full of water across the dinner table. So yeah, if you want more content like that, please go subscribe to my vlog channel down below. It's called Turning Violet. And yeah, you just have to go check it out. Okay, so now getting into a little bit of the giveaway. So kind of what's happening is, I just want to give back for everybody's support on this channel. People who are diehard in the lanyard community, or maybe you've just been an avid follower for a while. What I'm going to do is I have a couple lanyards here today, just some things from my collection. I honestly have never been one to really even hold on to my own lanyards. I usually make them and give them away to people. I've never been good at selling them, so I didn't feel like that was kind of the right thing to do with these, and so I wanted to give back. So what I'm going to be doing, because I kind of want it to be fun and just whoever stumbles upon it sort of thing. So we're kind of traveling across the United States the next couple weeks and whatnot, and so we're going to be going into Targets and Walmarts and sort of places like that, hiding these lanyards and filming where I hide them. We'll be going through Maryland, we'll be going through Virginia, Arkansas, Texas, Tennessee, Las Vegas, sort of the heading west sort of trend. And yeah, I think kind of what I'm going to do is hide them in planters or put them on the shelves next to where the lanyard string is in Target. And maybe just with a sticky note or something being like, hey, free, follow the channel. Cool. Thanks. You should comment down below which state or what town I should pass through, which of these lanyards you want to win, or which ones I should leave where, that sort of thing. And I will be posting on my TikTok as I leave these lanyards behind. So if I happen to pass through your state, please, if you find a lanyard, it'd be really cool if you could shout us out back at Lanyard Making on Instagram, at Lanyard Making on TikTok, or at How Violetita on YouTube here. Yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for having been here and following the channel. I have plenty more to come. Have a great one, keep blooming, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.